Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Here we go again. I'm glad I actually did this test. I actually had a slight issue with one of the cameras, but I got it fixed. So we're going to do this. This is a super simple little prep. I just wanted to do it just in case something like a camera goes wonky. Tonight's meal is rye bread soup. It's a Lithuanian soup. It's very simple, very basic. What's the fun part about this is that the rye bread actually acts as a thickener. So let's get straight to it. We're going to start with some herbs. I'm going to start with some marjoram. And just about a teaspoon. I love my IKEA jars, by the way. And then we're going to go with some dill. Just about a teaspoon. Love the smell of dill. So here's your dill. And we're going to go right into the onion. I have half a red onion or purple onion, depending on who you ask. I'm going to do what I call a half slice. So I'm just going to clean it up. As you know, if you slice, you're basically doing the cuts this way. What I like to do is cut it lengthways first, and then I'm going to make these a little chunkier, and then I slice through. So if you ever see my recipes that calls for a half slice, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I call a half slice. And we're going to get into the carrot. I'm sorry, this is celery, not carrot. Wow. I need another cup of coffee. So I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to slice it down the middle. And do the same thing with this half. And there's your old chunks of celery. Now we're getting into the carrot. I'm going to peel this real quick. Let's get rid of these peels. Keep our board clean. Trim the ends. I'll cut it in half. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to cut these at an angle so they're nice and pretty. And I'm going to do the same with this half. And there's your carrots. Clean up my board. Now, I'm just going to mention this. You notice the size of my board? This is kind of the size you want. You don't want to be working on just a little postage stamp. The more real estate you have, the better it is. All right, we're going into minced garlic. I need about a clove and a half. That's about right. And the last thing that we're going to work on today, this morning, is the rye bread. I'm sure you all do this. Basically, I'm going to get this into cubes. I'm using a serrated knife. This is an offset. And then once I get this rye bread into cubes, it's going to go in the oven to turn it into day-old or stale bread. I'm going to do the same with this stack. And there's the rye bread, all nice and cubed. So, like I said, a very simple prep for tonight. All the liquids, the veggie broth and the cream and so forth, I'll deal with later on, closer to I get to actual cooking, especially the heavy cream. So yeah, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun.